So we're just going to...
What's going on, guys, and welcome back to our channel. First and foremost, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button below so that you too can become part of the family. In this video, we are going to show you the perfect makeup look so that you can bring all the boys to the yard. But there's a catch. We're gonna do it with no hands. So if you want to see how this makeup look turns out, keep on watching.
Hey guys, what is up? My name is Kay. The first product we are going to be using is primer. We are just not primer. My primer's to my right. No, that's foundation, honey. So, clean hands is a must. And so we're just going to pump some, and then we're going to put some on my face. Basically, not in my eye. On my cheek, there's nothing coming out. No. Okay, now we are going to use my hands and we're going to just spread this primer all over my face. All over my face. Just. Okay, so we are going to be taking my beauty blender and my Born This Way foundation by Too Faced and putting it on my face. Yep, just like that. Other side, on my forehead. Okay, now we're going to take my beauty blender and just blend everything out on my face. So just do some tapping motions, just like that. Okay, make sure we got it everywhere. On my nose. I think that is good. Now we are going to be moving on to concealer. So we are going to be taking my beauty blender again, and we're going to be taking some Tarte Shape Tape concealer. So, yep, just like that. Okay, other side. No, okay. Okay, and then take a little bit more. And put some on my chin. Right there. Perfect. And now we're just going to blend everything out. So just start with my chin. Chin. There you go. Now we're just going to take the flat side of the beauty blender and just dunk it into the powder. And now we're going to take this sponge and put it underneath my eyes. So just, okay, more towards the nose area. Perfect. Taking the beauty blender and dipping it back into the powder again. We're just going to start from the outer corner of my eye and working inwards to the inner corner. Now we are going to be moving on to eyeshadow. So the palette that I want to use today is this Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I love the colors. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. I'm feeling a little orange today. So I'm gonna take that brush. No, that's a blue color. Oh, okay. I guess we're feeling a little blue. Definitely tap off the excess, and we're gonna go right into the crease. Oh, there you go. Yeah. So we're just going to mix this blue and this yellow and this orange side, and we'll come back to the blue later. Perfect. I think we need a little bit more color. So we're going to be taking this green shade, and putting it all over my lid, just like that. You don't have to worry about the fallout because we could just take a brush and swipe it away. Next, we are going to be taking my bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics. So we are just going to swirl my brush into the bronzer, and now we are going to put it on my cheekbones. On my cheekbones. And do it on the other side. Perfect. Just gotta get in the eyes too. Okay, now we're going to take some and put it on my forehead, everywhere, because I want to be a bronze goddess. Now, I'm a little thirsty. So just give me a minute here. There you go. So we're just going to... Apparently, I don't know how to drink, so let's move on. Next, we're going to be using this Dose of Colors Desi X Katie highlighter in the color Fuego. Fuego! Okay, now we are going to take my highlighting brush as well. That new today. We don't know. So now we're just going to take this brush, swirl it in. Nope, I'm hitting the mirror. And now we're going to put it on top of my cheekbone. Yes, yes, give it to me. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to take some and put some on my nose. Yep, right there. And go on the bridge of my nose. So now we're going to be moving on to brows, and the brow product that I'll be using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil in the color Dark Brown. Spoolie. We got spoolie our hairs up. The brow hairs up. Okay, gotta make that arch. Don't forget the arch. Okay, other side, yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Now, I think the last step is mascara. So now we're just going to take it out of the wand. We got twist it. There you go. We're twisting it. Okay. No, we're going to take the wand and put some on my lashes. We're going to try to put some on my lashes. Just perfect. Okay. Last, but certainly not least, is lips. Just like that, yeah. You know, it's really good to get some on your teeth too, just in case, you know. Okay, now we're gonna do the upper lip. Yep. And we're just going to overdraw our lips today. So this is it. Do you guys love it? How do you think I did? It's so cute.
So anyways, guys, this is the final look. I think she looks beautiful. She looks gorgeous. And this, if you do this, I am telling you right now, take it from me, somebody that knows makeup. To the extent that I know makeup, if you want to impress that boyfriend of yours, if you want to make your husband fall in love all over again, this is the look for you. Okay?
So that is it for this video. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you know when we upload a new video. And we will see you guys in the next one.
Bye!